Welcome to Beyond the Clip, your guide to long-form AI video. We're mastering the transition from short, fleeting generations to coherent, 50-minute narratives. We will explore how to go from 3-second clips to feature-length videos. The status quo for AI video is the 3-second limit of impressive but disconnected clips. The new frontier is coherence. We need to maintain narrative flow and character identity across thousands of generated frames to overcome the duration barrier. The filmmaker's spectrum offers 3 workflows. The sprint focuses on automation and speed. The stretch is about extension and scene continuity. The marathon involves assembly and the component workflow. Choose based on your balance of speed and creative control. InVideo AI represents an all-in-one engine. It can generate 10-minute videos from a single prompt. This black box workflow includes automated voiceover, subtitles, and integrated stock footage. To scale the narrative, MagicLight.ai offers 50-minute stories by defining pacing, characters, and scenes up front. Skyreel's AI aims for infinity length by connecting 30-second clips sequentially. These tools minimize manual intervention for maximum duration. The art of scene extension moves beyond script to video. This method takes a successful generation and mathematically predicts what happens next. The goal is seamless flow and avoiding jump cuts. The extenders, Kling AI and Google Veo, specialize in connecting clips. They ensure a seamless join where the last frame of the preceding clip matches the first frame of the next. This reduces visual friction between segments. For professional control, we use the craftsman's workflow. This component pipeline involves scripting, generation of the raw material, audio for the soundscape, and assembly, which is the final edit. Step 1 is scripting, where we use tools like ChatGPT to generate detailed visual scene descriptions. Step 2 is generation, using tools like Runway or Pika to create short, high-fidelity clips. Prioritize visual quality over duration. Step 3 is editing or assembly, where clips are imported into tools like CapCut and manually stacked. Step 4 is audio, creating the soundscape with voiceover and music, using tools like 11 Labs. The consistency challenge arises from AI hallucination, causing character identity drift. The solution is using specific, detailed prompts. Never use generic descriptions. Always lock appearance details, like a scar on the left cheek or a red leather jacket. To lock the look, use the image-to-video method with a master reference image. Generate a character reference, use it as an input seed for the next clip, and set the tool to extend or image-to-video to maintain consistency. The selection matrix guides your tool choice. For speed and ease, use InVideo AI or MagicLight. For scene continuity, choose Kling AI or Google Veo. For total control, use the manual stack, Claude, Runway, and CapCut. In the new director's chair, long-form AI video is less about overcoming technical limits and more about the patience to assemble a story. The tools for 50 minutes of content exist. The only variable left is your narrative.